Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to adjust auto lock screen timeout on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down and click display and brightness. And here you must scroll down again and click auto lock. And here you can adjust auto lock as you want. For example, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, never, or 30 seconds. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.